I'm gonna do an unboxing for you. I did get the iPad Pro a few weeks ago, and I also got the little pen that comes with it. But I also bought the Magic Keyboard, which just arrived. So I'm gonna open it up for you and we'll get a first look. It's not gonna come out like that. There we go. Ooh, there it is. So this is what the outside looks like. Very cool. My iPad is the 12.9 inch, so this is the bigger size keyboard. Yes, let's take a look. Oh, there's a little tab. Ooh. It's pretty light actually, not too heavy. Oh, it's very soft. And that's all that's in the box. So there's the, I don't know, front or back of it. Oh my gosh, it's like, ooh, that is so cool. I'm scared I'm gonna like break it. It's quite sturdy, but I feel like moving it, it's kind of hard to move it. So I think that's a good thing, but it also feels like I'm gonna break it. I'm scared to move it. Okay, let's just put the iPad on and we'll see how that connects.
Push it, don't be shy. Like this. That's what it's supposed to be like. So then you can try it like this, look. And then when you open it, where is it? Open it. Yeah, open it just like your laptop. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Okay, so here is with the iPad on. And yeah, so AJ was saying that I can be rough with it. So yeah, you're able to bend it. I think this is the furthest it goes for bending wise, right? It seems like everything's working and it looks super cool and it's like a little laptop. It's amazing. I'm so excited to have this. I'll learn more about it tonight and then I'll do a little update. I'll do an update tomorrow. Now I'm gonna play around with it. So I've had my Magic Keyboard for a few days now and I want to let you guys know my thoughts. I have a lot of pros for the keyboard, but I do have a few cons as well. So let's get right into it. So first things first, it's a super cool piece of technology. So it is the built-in keyboard with the case. It is magnetic as well. The con that I have is actually opening the case. It's kind of hard to finick around with it a little bit to actually open it. It's not the easiest thing. What I would recommend is maybe like a little divot or something to put your finger in to help you open it. But when I open it, it's very sleek. The design is beautiful and the keyboard is super sleek as well. You have the touchpad, which clicks all the way around, so you know exactly what you're doing. And another cool feature of the keyboard is that all the gestures are the same as for MacBooks. So it's really easy if you do want to switch over to an iPad and the keyboard, all the gestures are the same. So, which I figured out quite quickly when I was using it like a MacBook. Another thing is that it won't heat up like laptops do. Usually all hardware and storage is at the bottom of the laptop and it usually heats up and it has that fan at the bottom. This one doesn't. It's very sleek at the bottom and it's not going to heat up, so that's great. The only part that will probably heat up is the iPad up here itself, but you won't be feeling that on your knees. Another cool feature is that you can actually charge the iPad through the Magic Keyboard. There is an accessibility port right here on the side, so it kind of just acts like a regular laptop when you have it plugged in. It's like on the side here, so it's out of your way, and that charges the case. the iPad and also the pencil. My last pro is that it's awesome that it can act as an iPad or as a laptop. So if you want it to be like a laptop and have it more comfortable when you're typing and whatnot, you can put the case on. But if you don't want it, you just take it off like so, and it's an iPad. So it's really cool how you can kind of change it up, and it's very versatile in that way. But for me, I've had this case on the entire time just because it's nice that it's a case as well. If you do want an iPad Pro, I would definitely recommend getting the keyboard just because it makes your life so much easier. So that's my overall review, and I definitely give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys liked my little review. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.